This is Abby. Welcome to my channel, Avinavia. Today, you know me, I can play Legos all day long. That's why, it would mostly be a Lego. I also like Ninjago, but this is a Lego City. The set name is Police Car. The age is for 5 and up. This has 94 pieces. The model number is 60312. And I love this police car. It looks awesome. See, this is the front and this is the back. And if you look at the back, see, there's a spotlight here. The police can hold it And also I love police cars. Yeah. Here. Oh. There is a minifigure. Here's the minifigure. This is his size, really how it would be. Okay. And now let's open this up. Okay guys, here's what we have. 2 pouches. And we have the car body here, which was not packaged. And, oopsie, here's the instructions book. Hey guys, now I'm going to build a policeman. It's also kind of funny because they're using this. The water, they use it for sometimes water mostly I've seen in Legos. So, okay, we're going to put the policeman's body. Here's his body. Then we put his head on. Now we're going to put on his cap. And then we're going to, make the spotlight of the car. I was saying earlier, right? Here's the spotlight. We're going to attach it on the car a little later. He's holding this. And it's also like a torch, kind of, to find the thieves. Okay, let's get started with the car. Hey guys, did you know that this did not come with stickers? Even though I thought it would because of these police symbols, they look a lot like they have stickers. And guys, this is a really cool police car. I really love this. Hope you liked the video too. Hey guys, this is the police car. This is the front, but this is one of the sides. Although I really thought there would be stickers, and it's pretty hard for me to peel off stickers and place in proper place. Since it's already printed, it was very easy for me. Look at the back. Okay, and here's the other side. Okay guys, my favorite part are the spotlights. I also like this bumper. Come on now. And I really like this. I also like the blue and white shade, pretty cool. And the stickers, which are printed. Thumbs up for me.